Mahakumbh 2025 is all about different colors. There thousands of people are visiting, and we have sadhus, sannyasis who have come from different parts of the country. There I'm showing you visuals of one Baba who has become famous as Kanto Wale Baba because he has been lying on this bed of thorns. In fact, there you see he is lying with his, in fact, using his damaru and is in this religious practice for several years. We asked him if he is interested in letting us know as to what is this practice, but he denied. And there you see the visitors who have been coming because it is giving a sort of excitement to people as to how is it possible that one person is lying on this bed of thorns. In fact, people are calling him Kanto Wale Baba, and in fact there you have several sort of things lying in front of him. People are taking blessings from him, and we have been told that he has been lying on this bed for several years, and in fact he generally wakes up, but as far as a day is concerned, so he spend maximum time of his day like this only. There you have different colors of Mahakumbh 2025. In fact, I'll try to talk to some individuals as well as to when they say practice like such, so what comes in their minds. कांटों पे बाबा जी सो रहे हैं, आम व्यक्ति के लिए तो बड़ा मुमकिन सा नहीं लगता ये, तो आपको क्या कुछ दिमाग में आता है, जहन में आता है इस प्रैक्टिस को देखकर?
ये महाकुंभ की शक्ति है और कहीं न कहीं हमारे सनातन धर्म का जो अध्यात्म है उसमें एक ऐसी शक्ति है कि जब आप योग और साधना के माध्यम से अपने आप को ऐसा बनाते हैं कि इस प्रचंड ठंडी में भी ये नग्न अवस्था में कांटों पर लेटे हुए हैं, तो ये कहीं न कहीं हमारे धर्म की शक्ति है जो आप ये बाबा जी के माध्यम से आप देख सकते हैं। और पूरा समाज आज देख रहा है इस महाकुंभ को, जो निश्चित रूप से पूरी दुनिया हमारे धर्म को, हमारे सनातन धर्म को मानने के लिए बेताब होगी कि जो ये छोटी छोटी तमाम ऐसी बातें हैं हमारे धर्म में जिसको देख करके मजबूती मिलती है हमारे हिंदू धर्म और हमारे सनातन धर्म को।
ऐसा है सर?
हम लोग तो यही अपने बनारस से हैं जी।
Alright, so I'm showing you these visuals of the kind of donations that he has got. You can see these food items, in fact the money, and the Baba who is in Dhyan as of now did not speak because he has some problem with his throat at this point in time, but he says that this is for the mankind, this is for the humanity. Once again, I'm showing you these visuals where cameraman Ravinder is showing you these shots. This Baba is lying on this bed of thorns. Kanto Wale Baba, he has become famous for, and on social media, in fact, this image is going round where people are talking about this sort of video, this sort of image. And in Mahakumbh 2025, we have seen several colors like such where we have Babas who are in fact practicing this sort of puja, this sort of anushthan, and they say that this is for humanity. Joining me now is महामंडलेश्वर श्री श्री 1008 केशवदास जी महाराज। महाराज जी, स्नान आपने किया है, आज पहला स्नान अमृत स्नान था, किस तरह से इसका महत्व है, क्या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
ये स्नान भव्य और दिव्य महाकुंभ का स्नान है और हमारे सनातन संस्कृति में बताया है समुद्र मंथन के उपरांत 14 रत्न जो निकले हैं उनमें अमृत भी निकला है। कोई अमृत की बूंद आज के मुहूर्त में ही हम महसूस करते हैं और भव्य और दिव्य महाकुंभ है, उसमें ही स्नान करके और देश के लाखों हजारों करोड़ों श्रद्धालु लाभान्वित होते हैं और भगवान की कृपा पाते हैं। मेरे नाम दिगंबर अखाड़े के हैं।
महाराज जी, अभी बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो यहाँ आ नहीं पाए हैं किसी वजह से, कुछ लोगों को ये डर है कि बहुत भीड़ है, कुछ लोग कहें कि देश विदेशों में बैठे हैं इसलिए नहीं आ पाए, तो घर पे बैठकर किस तरह से इसका लाभ लिया जा सकता है? किस तरह?
आप मीडिया वाले बंधुओं को धन्यवाद है, आपके द्वारा पूरा देश, दुनिया, पूरा वर्ल्ड इस महाकुंभ का आनंद ले रहा है, देख रहा है। और हम कहेंगे हमारे पूज्य यहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री हमारे महाराज श्री योगी राज जी की जो व्यवस्था है, सुविधा है, हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री का जो सुविधा है वो अद्भुत अलौकिक है और इतना भव्य दिव्य सुंदर बिना किसी दिक्कत और परेशानी का इतना भव्य आयोजन हो रहा है कोई डरने की बात नहीं है और बढ़िया प्रेम और श्रद्धा से आए। जो लोग हैं वो भी आए, जो मीडिया के माध्यम से देख रहे आए, कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है। यहाँ हमारे हनुमान जी की कृपा और तीर्थराज प्रयाग की कृपा बरस रही है।
ऑलराइट, महामंडलेश्वर श्री श्री 1008 श्री केशव राज जी महाराज clearly putting his point forward as far as this Amrit Snan is concerned and as far as the arrangements are concerned. I'm showing you these visuals from this particular area where in fact you are seeing these people who have come from different places and are being a part of this Mahakumbh festival that has been organized after 12 years, the Muhurat that has come after 144 years. Level of excitement when it is about the Amrit Snan here in Mahakumbh. I am showing you these visuals where these sadhus and sannyasis are going towards Sangam area to take a holy dip. Maharaj ji, कहाँ से आए हैं?
श्रीधामाबाद से।
आज का बहुत महत्व है कहते हैं स्नान का। कौन से?
माघ मकर गति रवि डबल होई, तीरथ मत जावे सब कोई, देवता नर मुनि से सादर मंजन सकल होई। एक महीना के जो आज मकर संक्रांति के दिन है, इसमें त्रिवेणी स्नान का बहुत महत्व है।
All right, so he is going with all the procession. I'll try to talk to some more individuals, but as far as excitement is concerned, so this is the procession, which is a very part of akhadas that are going for this Amrit Snan, and these are the visuals where you are seeing the dhols and nagaras with which they people are moving towards Triveni Sangam, because this is an auspicious occasion. Mahakumbh, the first Amrit Snan of Mahakumbh. Thousands of people who have already taken a part in this program and this gathering, and those who are in fact staying at home are seeing these magnificent visuals where this festival is being celebrated after 12 years.
I am the world first transgender Kinnar Jagadguru Hemangi Sakhi, doing the Bhagavad Katha from 5 languages all over the world. Now I have came to Prayagraj to take a bath in the Pavitra Ganga Maya.
This occasion has come after 144 years when it is about Mahakumbh.
We are all a very good, fortunate soul that we have given a good time to come and bathe in the Ganga and be the soul.
Any message for all those who are, seeing or watching here, on at their houses, at their homes, this particular occasion?
This particular occasion, we are all fortunate soul. We should come all over from our house. We should come out from the house and take the bath in the Ganga.
All right, so this is an auspicious occasion where people from different akhadas, from different beliefs are coming here to take part in the Mahakumbh celebration that has come after 12 years.